Hi everyone, today I'm gonna be changing the black ink cartridge for my printer. So you will see it comes in this little box. It's original, HP original. I like to use the original brands. I have never ever tried the others, and my printers usually do quite well. So you take it out of the main box. So it's the HP4535, the HP Deskjet. So this is the original box. Then I take out this, which actually has in the cartridge replacement for the black and white. Let me just open this up, and then you have a little cardboard protector around the actual cartridge. And then this is the black and white cartridge here. So how you access the cartridges in the printer, you have this flap where you would normally lift up and put your things to copy or scan here, but underneath here you have another, so you have to close this back down, and underneath that you have another little lever thing at the edge here. Right here you just lift this up right here, and normally lift up this like this, and right underneath that there is a little edge. You just lift it up just right where it joins, and you lift it up, and that is where all the ink and the printing mechanism is inside there. So these are the inks. This is the color, that's the black and white down the bottom there. So the printer is off now, so I'm gonna plug it in. And I could also, if it was off, plugged in and off, this is the button that I would have pressed to turn it on. But all I was doing, it was on when I plugged it out, so it's turning on. And here is a little screen right here that shows up once you plug it in, or once it's on, when you turn it on. Okay, so now that the printer is on, I'm gonna open it up again, and you're gonna see the difference with what happens inside. You see that? Once it's on and you open up the cartridge, the cartridges will automatically shift to the left and be exposed, so you can change them. So before you realize they were under this little part here, but now see this little part here, but now they have shifted, so it's easy for me to take out and change. Oh shucks. Okay, so I need to change the black one. So the same thing you do for the black, you do for the colored. So this little flap here, you just lift it up like this, and the cartridge is automatically released. So you just grab both sides like this, finger on either side, just gently grab it and lift it up, straight up, and that's it. We're just gonna replace it with the new one. So here we have the new cartridge. So we have to take off this little protective tape off here. So it's not stuck or anything to it. So you just lift it up, and then you have to pull it off now, off this side. Here is where it sticks, because it protects the cartridge inside. The ink inside, it protects the ink. And that's it. And what you're gonna do now, the same way you put it in, you take it out. So this is how we had it when we took it out, and we put it back inside. So this side is where you're gonna turn it towards the back of the print, to the back, and this part to the front. The little shine thing to the back, we're gonna turn it around. If you're not so sure, I will show you so you can always remember. All right, let me show you something. So if you look inside there and where the cartridge is supposed to go, you see those little dots there? So they will line up. That's what the whole printing device lines up on, right? So I'm gonna, if you ever forget, just remember those little dots are what the dots on the cartridge is supposed to line up with. So here, you can see the dots here, and they look just like that, and we just turn it around, right? So see them there? Just turn it around and they will match up properly. Okay, so I'm gonna, just as I took it out, I'm just gonna place it back in, just easy as I took it out, and then I put the flap back over, and it will shift right into place, and that's it, and we're all done. So now we're gonna close back. Okay, let me turn off the light so you can see how it looks. So this is the front of the printer, and you get this little, says open the ink cartridge access door, clear any paper jam or obstruction, make sure the ink cartridge latches are, it's hard to get back focus, are lowered and snap into place. Touch the camera to learn more. So it gives you instructions to automatically, once you open the flap, this comes up. So now I'm just gonna close back the flap and get the printer going. Once I've put in the cartridge, I press OK here. And it will do its thing and aligns up everything properly. Genuine HP ink cartridge installed, so I have to press OK again. Load plain white paper in tray, then touch OK to start the alignment. Paper is in there already, so I just have to press OK. Then it will align the printer, and then it will print a page. Let me just, so it's now printing the page. It has to do this test to make sure everything is working properly and it aligns the printer. So we just wait on this to be printed. This is aligning printer. So this is the page that is printed. So now I'm gonna put this page, let me just fix this a minute. So I'm gonna take the page and align it up with the printer. You just open back here and put it on the scanning surface. Here, close back the lid. And then I'm gonna press OK again here. Okay. Scanning the alignment page. So I let that align, and then we get back once it says everything is okay. Alignment page was not detected. Touch OK to continue. Let me see what happened. Scan. Okay. I had to press scan. Okay. So it's scanning the alignment page. The cartridges are set to default print quality. Touch OK to continue. Okay. And it will scan. I need to scan. Press scan. And then I press OK. Scan now. and then this message comes up that everything is okay. It just comes back to the normal, and then it just comes back to the normal screen. So let's do a test run and see if everything is working okay. We're gonna print something. I'm gonna copy this to see if it is working. Just write test on a piece of paper, put it there, and then I'm gonna go to home and copy. Start block. You can't see because the light. So we're gonna pull this back a bit. Just copy. Yay! See, we got our copy done. Quite fine, so all is well. My laptop is connected by the internet to the printer, so this page automatically came up when I opened my laptop. So it says scan. So this is the scan that happened. So everything was scanned perfectly. So now we have changed successfully our black and white cartridge. The same thing would apply for the color cartridge. So like my video, let me know, make any comments you want to make. And this is just a video on my page, which I share many different things, but this is just a part of how I run my business, because we all need to learn how to change our printer ink. So yes, you can check out my cooking videos too, and I'll have a lot of other videos on home and garden and just how to live a healthy lifestyle. And I have videos in which I speak about having a positive mental and spiritual attitude in life. And I also have videos on spiritual. I talk about how we can have a positive attitude towards life, what I do to maintain that positivity. And yes, so here we go. Let me take this off. So thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, share, and comment. And I will share other videos with you too on maybe my business side, in terms of I'm also an accountant, so I'll share tips on that too.